Pregnant woman tested positive for COVID-19. Bithong Rengthama number 9 in West Karbi Anglong declared containment zone. One journalist assaulted in Haflong. West Karbi Anglong public thrilled as EM announces establishment of 4 new offices in Hamren. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jilly Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. In the latest development, Bithong Rengthama number 9 of West Karbi Anglong district has been declared containment zone after a pregnant woman was tested positive with COVID-19. This was notified by the West Karbi Anglong district administration through a notification issued on Friday with immediate effect. Following this notification, the area has been sealed off and unauthorized entry and exit has been totally banned to prevent its further spread. The area will continue to remain under restriction until the area is declared safe as per guidelines of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. This is the second area to be declared a containment zone under Bithong Rengthama MAC constituency. Earlier, Bithong Rengthama number 14 was the first area to be declared containment zone. Meanwhile, the pregnant woman who was tested positive have been brought to Dipu for further treatment. Meanwhile, in Assam, the total cases of COVID-19 positive has touched 3,430, with 1,537 persons discharged at the time of this report was filed. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. In a shocking incident, a journalist was harassed and physically assaulted by the employee of Assam State Electricity Board Haflong. The incident occurred on Wednesday night at around 10:30 p.m. near Assam State Electricity Board Haflong, when the reporter Suresh Burman went to ask the employee, identified as Aurobindo, as to why he was demanding extra charges for reconnection of power line from the public. When questioned, the ASEP employee got enraged and tried to attack him without any provocation. When the reporter defended from the attack, the ASEP employee Aurobindo bit him on his left middle finger. Following this attack, an FIR was lodged on Thursday with Haflong Police Station, during which the journalist also demanded stern action against the employee so that such incident is not repeated. Meanwhile, the media fraternity of Haflong have also condemned the incident and demanded strict action of the culprit. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manjar Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Where you'll get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. A day after the resignation of Kasang Terangpi, the Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee had slammed the allegation leveled against KADCC President Khorsing Inti by the outgoing President of Karbi Anglong District Mahila Congress Committee, Kasang Terangpi, as it appeared in some newspapers and social media platforms. The KADCC terms the statement as unfortunate and condemned her baseless allegation against the KADCC President. The District Congress Party accused that Kasang Terangpi had been involved in anti-party activities by maintaining nexus with the BJP since long. The party also claimed that she has already been enrolled as an active member of the BJP and her membership number is 70118. KADCC pointed out that the allegation made by Kasang Terangpi against the KADCC authority are nothing but politically motivated with the sole intention to defame the image of the President and the Indian National Congress Party. The party said that the exit of Kasang Terangpi will have no effect on the party, but contrary to that, her resignation from Congress will strengthen the Mahila Congress in Karbi Anglong, said KADCC Secretary Mongvirongpi.
ake haipi kasang terangpi kaning jalam hake kechok jalam si ninjem sili yani Dhaka Gelong District Congress Committee hin pen ninje kangtung la pen alangli allegation ke wanam ta kechok che pisi dak mili General Secretary hoi pen paklang kollo la pen alangli apram ganta BJP pen kachira pa joining si ha Karbiang Long pen athak ke do state level Mahila Congress President Tumsi laswa decision ke
The KADCC also condemned Terangpi for her false and fabricated claims about the discontentment within KADCC office bearers. Moreover, all BCCS, MCCS, TCCS, booth committees and all Congress frontal organizations at different level committees are actively working in their respective committees throughout Karbi Anglong and are preparing for 2021 Assembly election to form a Congress government in the state. Meanwhile, Rina Bepi is appointed as the new president of the KAD-MCC. Bikram Crow reporting from Diphu, Karbi Anglong Live. Under the direction of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang, EM Rup Singh Teron had on Friday convened a meeting at Hamran Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Branch Secretariat Office where he discussed with the local officials about setting up of new offices needed in the making of West Karbi Anglong as a full-fledged district. During the meeting, the EM declared that establishment of 4 new offices in the district, as it was also informed by the Assam Finance Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma during his recent visit to the district. Among the new office buildings to be built in the district include SP Colony, Judicial Court, Grade 3 and 4 Colony and Secretariat Office. EM Teron also informed that the land had already been allotted for the construction of the buildings and the construction work will begin soon. Later in the day, EM Rup Singh Teron along with officials visited the site where proposed offices would be constructed. The meeting, which held on Friday chaired by EM Rup Singh Teron, was attended by Hamran Municipal Board Chairman Biren Tiso, Border Area Development Board Chairman Richardson Hanse, Minority Board Chairman Joy Singh Tiso, ARO Nilotpol Ronghang, SK and several other officials. The locals have expressed their joy on the announcement and eagerly waiting for the fulfillment of the task. Daniel Inghi reporting from Hamran, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Customary Law Reform Chairman Man Singh Teron on Friday distributed ration to the lockdown-affected families of his nearby villages. Here is a report from our Donka correspondent. Altogether, 47 families from Chengbiri, Kangnep, Rongpiokhi and Pusang village, which are more than 10 kilometers away from Dongkamukam, were provided with essential food items at his own residence. While speaking to media person, the Karbi Customary Law Reform Chairman said that food items were provided to these villagers as they were facing food shortage and their conditions were aggravated due to communication problem, forcing them come down to Langhan on foot following the nationwide lockdown.
Kini sangi pipon mangke lain longsor Chengbiri center pulo dak Kanglem rong do Ronghang rong do pen rong manti do rong cek do pen pu tirkim biarong do rong piarong pen pu rong piok rong do tanun jong bang ma Kang Ronghang Kanglem rong pen hala rong manti ya so area so sing ke bang chot lang bagi kini tumun sing bang thu lang apen datun panili.
Essential items like rice, dal, salt, soap and biscuits were the items provided to these families. Man Singh Teron also stated that he has been distributing ration to different villages in the past and would continue to do the same to reach out to families affected by the lockdown. In addition to this, he informed that he would also distribute ration to families of Ronghang Rongbong, Chintong and Amri areas in the coming days. Kabon Meliti Sope reporting from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.